Hi there, students. Guise. Okay, this word guise is linked to disguise. Okay, guise, a pretense, a false appearance, a pretext, a semblance, and very often used in the phrases in the guise of or under the guise of. So, for example, under the guise of offering friendly help, he stole my wallet. So he pretended to be offering friendly help, but actually what he wanted to do was to steal from me. Fascism is on the rise in the guise of moderate conservatism, disguised as, looking like, but it isn't really. This word guise gives the idea of the wolf in sheep's clothing. So a guise, a deceptive outward appearance. He gained access to the restricted area in the guise of a priest. So we can also use guise to mean a set of clothes, a manner or an appearance. But I think nearly always in the guise of, disguised as, pretending to be. Under the guise of making our streets safe, they've installed security cameras everywhere, and now they can monitor our every move. Everything we do in our daily lives, and that's not security, that's prying. Or websites often send cookies to your computer under the guise of these cookies being essential for your enjoyment of their page. In reality, these cookies are for advertising purposes and make the webs more profitable. So, in the guise of, under the guise of, something pretending to be something else, or with a different reason, but in reality, there is a hidden agenda. Yeah? In reality, the person wants, or the aim is something different. Thieves broke into the house in the guise of workers. So they looked like builders, and everybody thought they were builders. But no, they weren't. They wanted to rob the house. So, guise meaning manner or appearance. His guise is always very formal. I guess you could use this, but I think it's really quite unusual, and I would stick to using guise as in a pretense, a false appearance, a pretext. Yeah? So, what about formality? I think this is fairly formal. I'd probably give it something like 6.5 or 7. I don't think I would use in the guise of in an informal conversation in the pub. Pretending to be, disguised as. But in something semi-formal and something very formal, I think guise is a great word. It sounds a little literary as well. So what about the origin of this word? Well, guise is related to the word wise, but wise meaning the manner, the way, clockwise, anti-clockwise, work-wise, related to, and this comes from Proto-Germanic weasel, which means a manner, a way of doing things. So you can see how they're linked. So a guise, a pretense for something else, a fairly formal word, particularly in the phrases in the guise of and under the guise of. something pretending to be something else with a hidden agenda. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, guys.